Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday. I'm currently about to head out the door because I'm finally getting a new camera today. Finally, it's about time. My last vlog, I forgot to mention, I was using my phone the whole time, so if you notice the quality was like not top notch, that is why. I have an iPhone 13 Pro, so it's not the worst, but like, it's not the best. And as I mentioned, my old camera smashed, so we're getting a new camera today. But I gotta run because Brayden is gonna meet me at Best Buy, so I'm gonna go meet him. Okay, we're just leaving Best Buy. The camera has been purchased. Unboxing the Sony ZV-1, and I have to be so careful with her. She's so cute. Here is the wind sock, I think they're called. The wind sock, the wind muff. I'm not 100% sure on that. Oh my god, she's stunning. Gorgeous. Oh my god. This is the new vlogging camera. Okay, so I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna charge up the battery a little bit and then we're gonna switch to this camera. Hi guys, good morning. So this is my first clip filming with the new camera. Let me know what you guys think of the quality, but so far I'm obsessed. But it is currently Monday. I meant to vlog over the weekend. That was my plan, but we ended up having a really busy weekend. Some friends came up from out of town and we were just like doing the most, and I completely forgot to bring my camera. So it is Monday and we are continuing this vlog. Happy Monday. Today we are actually renting a car. Brayden just went to go pick up the car and we're gonna go for a little drive. We just have like some errands to run today. We are just pulling into Yorkdale Mall right now. We are gonna do a little bit of shopping, just pick up a couple of things. I haven't been here in so long, actually.
Yeah, it feels weird.
I know, I think we've only been here like 1 or 2 times. So we are currently on our way to Plato's Closet. We're gonna drop off some clothes because I just have like so much clothing, so we're gonna drop some stuff off there, and then I think we're gonna go grab some dinner. I feel like I have barely gotten like any vlog footage today because we really have not been doing like the most interesting stuff. Yeah, I feel like today just like has not been an interesting day because Brayden actually had a job interview today, so we had to like go out and get him some new dress shoes, and then he had to go do his job interview. So that's kind of like been our whole day. I don't know if I have told you guys on here, but Brayden just got some new mugs from FAVES. They just arrived. We actually got a bunch of new things, so I'll show you guys everything. So we got a set of 4 of these white speckled ones because they match all of our plates, and we got a set of the pink ones. I think these are so cute. They're so pretty for spring. And then we got some candlesticks. There's also some candle holders. Brayden's just unpacking the boxes right now. And then we got these salad, what are these called? Tongs. So we got the small glasses and the large glasses. And then we got 3 of these serving bowls. We got these 2 candlesticks. We got those 2 vases. How cute is all this stuff for spring? I'm so excited. I showed you guys in the last vlog, but we have these black vases here, but I think I'm gonna swap them out for the new white ones because I feel like it's more spring summer vibes. Okay, I feel like this is cuter for spring summer vibes, a little more color, but I just have to get some flowers to put in here. I need to get like maybe 2 to put in here and 1 to put in here just to add some color, but this is cute for now.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. That's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done.
Good morning, guys. We are currently in a rental car right now, so I just have some exchanges to make, and then we're going to just like run some errands. We decided to embark on a project this Sunday. We are just gonna rearrange the bedroom because why not? So the bed used to be right here. We just took it out of the bedroom and we're just gonna like organize everything, do some spring cleaning. This is the current setup. We have our dresser on this side of the bedroom, TV here. So we're going to take the dresser and put it on this side of the bedroom. The bed's gonna go here, so I will keep you guys posted. Okay, we just made the bed. We put up the prints. I really want to get a white duvet for the summer because this one we got for the winter/fall. Currently setting everything up. I have my clothing rack here, and then I just have to like set up some stuff on here and style this. We have this chair here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it here, to be honest. This is the new setup. Hi, Miko. I just got this new essential oil diffuser from Seasons. So I'm just opening it up and setting it up right now. This is its little charging thing, but it's cool because it's portable. So you can like bring it anywhere and it just has to recharge on this. Okay, cute. Can we turn her on while she's charging? Let's see. Oh yes. Oh my God, stunning. Look at that, so cute. It is currently the next day. I didn't get too much footage yesterday because I went to get my hair done. This is my hair. And then as soon as I got home, I had a couple of friends over last night. And then I'll show you what I made. I'm currently making this for a bachelorette party. It's just like a little game board. So I was like getting all crafty last night. I actually have to run because once again, I'm always running late. I have to call my Uber. But I'm going to get laser hair removal today for the first time ever. I've never tried it before. I'm just doing my underarms because it's my very first time. But I'm super excited, so I will share that experience with you guys. But I'm going to Expressive Beauty, so I'm really excited. I feel like it's gonna be good. I've heard so many good things about it, so I'll bring you guys along. So let's go. That I got for this vlog. A little bit chaotic, a little all over the place. I don't know if I fully mentioned, the last clip you just saw was a little house tour of the Airbnb that we stayed at. I went to one of my best friends from back home. Her name is Dana, and I've literally been best friends with her since grade 9, which is so crazy. So she's been one of my best friends for like over 10 years. We've been through it all together. So I went to her bachelorette party and we stayed at a really cute Airbnb. So that was the last clip. I don't know if I like fully explained properly what we were doing there, but we went with 9 girls to Prince Edward County for the weekend, and it was so cute and so fun. And I plan on getting a lot more footage, but I'm still getting back into the hang of things with vlogging, and I'm still like trying to remind myself to pull out my camera. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for sticking around and staying patient with me on this channel. I know I haven't been super consistent lately, but we're getting back into it, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.